Hey guys, welcome to Save More Money. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can make self-assessment tax payment using the income tax portal for the current assessment year. Log in to the income tax portal. Once you log in by filling your credentials, you will go to the dashboard page. There are two ways in which you can make the payment. The first is while you file the normal ITR and then you make the payment. So I'll show you that first. Click on income tax return, select the assessment year, select the mode of filing, online in my case, and continue. Here you will be filling the corresponding ITR. I have already pre-filled it, so I'll click on resume filing. In this, once you fill all the details, personal information, tax paid, tax deducted, etc., you will go to next last and it will show you what's the amount of tax you have to pay. Scroll down, click on pay now. Click on continue. It will route you to a new page. Here you can see the assessment year is 25-26. The type of payment is self-assessment tax 300, and here you will have to make your self-assessment tax payment. Click on continue and you will be able to do the payment. This is one way. The easier way is you can make the payment directly through dashboard without filling the form. Go to dashboard and click on e-file and select e-pay tax. Here select new payment and then select the income tax, advanced tax, self-assessment tax 300. Click on proceed and here select the correct assessment year, which is 25-26 in our case for now, and the type of payment is self-assessment tax 300. Click on continue and then you will have to fill in the amount of self-assessment tax which you want to pay. So for example 9,900 in my case. Click on continue and then you'll have to select how you want to make the payment. You'll have all the options: net banking, debit card, credit card, etc. If you're selecting UPI or credit card, it will also show you the payment gateways as well as the transaction charges for each of these gateways. So in my case, I'll decide to go with HDFC. So I'll select HDFC, I'll click on continue. It will show me the final page to verify my details. So assessment year 25-26, financial year 24-25. Tax applicable is income tax other than companies 21, and tax type of payment is self-assessment tax 300. The value is 9,900. I click on pay now. It will ask me to take the terms and conditions, agree to that, and click on submit button. It will redirect me to the payment page. There I fill in my credit card details and make the payment. So this way we will be able to make the self-assessment payment and the challan will be generated, which you can add in the self-assessment tax section of your income tax. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share, and for more such useful income tax related videos, do watch my channel. That's it from my side for now. Until next time, this is Nishan signing off. Bye, take care.